Okay, this is a Rain Bird pressure regulator that runs from it uses the valve's hydraulics through the solenoid to be able to control the pressure of the system. It's actually a pretty cool design. One of the things I don't care about this is that you have to take it apart to put it on because this gets in the way. But basically you just extract the solenoid. It's got the larger size base, so it works for the commercial one or residential version if you had to. But to do that, you have to pull out. There we go. Just a little reducer for this in here. So that little reducer is actually going to wind up going here. And then I'll put the pressure regulator on. It's where there's a slide here that locks down in. I forgot it does come out this direction. It's been a while since I put one of these on. And you twist this in place until it's tight. And if you can see right here is how you set the pressure for what you want. So if you need to run your spray heads at say 50 psi, then you can set the outgoing pressure to only be 50 psi regardless of what the incoming pressure is here, because it uses the pressure that actually gets into the top of the diaphragm. As it's escaping, it only lets out a certain amount of pressure, so it keeps a harder pressure on the top to be able to adjust the actual outgoing pressure. It's pretty ingenious. Just going to put that back on like it belongs. I'm going to spin this back on. I did that without having to rewire because I left it hooked up when I was doing it. Now I'm going to turn the valve back on. Okay. And now when I activate it, see if we can see a difference. So there's number one. I mean, it's just barely flowing. Let's see what number two does. Or not, it's flowing the same flow, but the pressure is what's supposed to be changed. And you can see, I mean, it is coming out quite a bit more forceful with this one. If you were to try to pinch it down, this one would be at the 85 psi that is the incoming pressure versus what I have this one set at, which is 50 psi. So let's go back again. I don't know if you can really see that or not, but it's still getting a ton of flow, but it's at a lower pressure.